Welcome to Learning with Connexion Solutions. Today we are going to be talking about business websites and how you can easily create an awe-inspiring site for your business. Having a professional website that informs, excites and engages your clients and business partners is a must in today's business world. If you have a local business, an online store, a small family-owned business or a big corporation, you can benefit from having a website. Having a digital storefront online is a must for all businesses across the board, including essential services. Big corporations, online stores and businesses that provide technology or marketing services have an even bigger obligation to provide customers with a functional and good-looking website. Even though there are hundreds or even thousands of products out there that provide businesses the tools to create professional and functional websites, we speak to clients from all walks of life every day that have obsolete, broken or flat-out useless websites. Here are 10 tips for creating the ideal website for your business. Number 1. What is the purpose of your website? Before deciding what resources to use or how to go about building your website, you need to determine what is your website's purpose. Your website can be informative. Informative websites display your company information, products and contact details. UI or user interface websites allow users to complete certain activities right on your website. For example, your online bank is UI. You can log in and view your balance and make transactions. Finally, e-commerce websites. These allow you to sell products and services online. Once you determine your website type, you will find it easier to move forward. Number 2. Make sure your website is responsive. For many years, more than half of all users will access your website using a mobile device. Today, almost 100% of users will access your website from a mobile device in addition to accessing it from a tablet or desktop. Responsive is the minimum you can do. Today, most businesses are designing for mobile devices first, and then adapting the design to look good on a desktop. Number 3. Before writing content and selecting your domain name, make a list of keywords your visitors are using to search for your business. These keywords will help you optimize your website to rank on search engine results. Including an important keyword in your domain name is great when possible. Using a domain name that matches your business name is more important. Number 4. Choose an easy to remember domain name that matches your business's name or at least matches your products or services. Think what it will be like to provide somebody with your website while both of you are on the go. Selecting something other than .com will not affect your website in any way. Certain words after the dot reference your type of business. Avoid using something that may cause confusion. For example, do not use .travel if your product is not related to travel. Finally, select the auto renew option for your domain to avoid losing it or set up a reminder of when your domain expires. Domains are usually sold on an annual basis. Number 5. Spend some time browsing your local competitors' websites and the websites of other businesses in your industry for inspiration. Make a list of the features you would like to have on your website. Make sure you only choose the ones that are useful to your business and ones you can realistically fulfill. For example, do not set up a live chat if you do not have the infrastructure or manpower to answer it. Number 6. Create a site map that includes all of the information you will have on your website. Start with your home, next, list all of the categories that follow, and finally list the subcategories. Make sure it makes sense and is easy to understand. This will determine your navigation, which is essential to the user experience. Number 7. Use your site map to determine the amount of pages your website will have. This will give you or the person who will create your website a clear picture of the amount of work that needs to be done. Knowing the number of pages will also determine the amount of time that is needed. If your business is still growing or you're thinking of expanding your services in the future, determine how this will look on your site map. Keeping future growth in mind when creating your site map will allow your website to last you a lot longer and remain coherent. Make sure telephone numbers, hours of operation and any detail that can change is accessible to you or your team to update easily. Number 8. Using your site map and list of features will help you select the ideal design template, technology, web developer, designer and hosting service perfect for you. If you are creating an informative or e-commerce website, you will find that there are tools and services that have already been made for just about everything you may need. When it comes to user interface websites, unless you need something very unique, you will find that there are many already existing technologies you can use to create your website without developing something new. Number 9. Choose a hosting provider that is speedy, secure and reliable. You want to make sure your website loads fast and there is very little downtime. Using your site map will help you determine the amount of space you need to host your website. Number 10. Time is money. When it comes to websites, most businesses are in a rush to launch their website. If this is your case, taking the time to properly identify the type of website you need and creating your site map will save you tons of time, money and heartache. Knowing exactly what you need will help you create your website on your own or through a third party. Following these 10 steps will help you create a winning website for your business. If you are in the process of creating your website and found these 10 steps helpful, comment below and share your story with us. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like or a thumbs up, we'd appreciate it. If you need help with your website to improve your inbound marketing results, just visit our website at www.connexionsolutions.com. Website analysis and consulting are a small part of our Midas method. Our very own 4-pillar fully managed business growth solution for companies like yours. If you need help growing your business, and would like to learn more about the Midas method, and our 100% return on investment guarantee, just visit our website at www.connexionsolutions.com. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed creating it for you, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon.